Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of January 18th through the 24th. I'm using this kit from Creative Cavern Studio. I'm not sure what it's called, Reading or Once Upon a Time, but it's super cute. I really enjoy it. So here's the full boxes, kind of some functional stuff, other boxes, and then the bottom washi and some washi strips. So this is a pretty good mini kit format. I do need at least some headers. So I pulled this leftovers from the 3 Years Apart Vintage Christmas kit. This set of like gold glitter headers, I'm going to use that as well. So my plan this week is to plan kind of like how Tattoo Teacher plans, Taylor plans. If you don't know her channel, definitely check her out. I assume you guys know her channel if you are here. But I'm going to try to make my spread kind of her style a little bit. We'll see how it goes. Obviously, we're two different planners, so it won't be exactly matching. I did pull my white out so that I am ready. I hope I have enough left. So we're ready there. So my plan is to stick down the bottom washi and then stick down these glitter headers at the top. I'm going to do that and kind of speed you through it, and then I'll be back so that we can do all the rest of the stuff. All right, that kind of covers the basics right there. So if you've watched Taylor's videos, you know that she doesn't stick down all her full boxes right away. So I'm going to end up doing that as well. For the quote box here, I think I'm going to use this one. It's like Once Upon a Time box. Like so. That looks reasonably straight. And then she sticks bottom down at the bottom on Tuesday. I need to be better at using, why not? Thursday and Sunday. And then she sticks a box right at the top on Saturday. So that's the one I'm going to stick in right now. For these bottom ones, maybe I'll use these cute animals. Stick this one right here. This one right here. And then this one on Sunday. There we go. And then for Saturdays, maybe I'll stick this one because it's like most like the bottom washi. There's like a little gap usually, so I'll try that as well. All right, so that's kind of the full boxes. We stick it on right away. This will be for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I don't know what order. We'll figure that out. All right, so starting on the sidebar. I didn't pull any like washi, so that makes this a little more difficult, but I think it's going to be fun. I'm going to stick in one habit tracker, I think. I'm going to track Instagram, and then I'm going to use one of these guys, and that's going to be for tracking my dinners. And then I'm going to use one of these. Maybe I will stick in one of these first. Maybe this one. There we go. I need to adjust my spacing a little bit. I think on this one too. Definitely should pull undo, but I didn't. So here we are. I'm gonna stick this down for like a cleaning slash whatever checklist. Stick that in. And then stick that in. All right, that looks pretty cute. So there we go. I guess I will write in as I go today. So this is for Instagram. This is for dinners. Here I'm gonna mark historical romance readathon. That goes through Thursday. And then this is going to be my to-do list. What do I need to do this week? I know I need to deal with the Bunz's house. Reviews. I don't know what else is going to come up, actually. So I guess I'll just stick with those two things for now, and I will fill in the rest as we get there. Okay. Next up, we are on Monday. So I'm going to use these 3 guys and then these 2 guys for my work stuff, marking work. So I'm going to start on Monday with this one. While I'm at it, I'm going to just fill in these others as well. That one's a little smaller, but I'm fine with that. There we go. Also on Monday, I'm going to use one of these. I guess I will use it on this side. I have alumni interviews. Stick that in there. And then I want to stick down at the bottom down here. Maybe I'll use the green ones. I'm going to use, I guess, the flower. This is going to be for my weekly plan with me. That goes up, and while I'm at it, I'm going to stick the one on Friday. I'm going to use a little squirrel guy. This will, I don't like that they're next to each other, but I'm just going to leave it. This will be for my 2020 Book Bujo flip through. So there's that. I want to take, I guess I'll stick this one in. Right here. If I can get it in. Oh, that's slightly too high. There we go. I think I'm going to white out this as well. And I'm going to take one of these checklists and stick it right underneath. There we go. We have this like little space. I don't know what I'm going to use that for, but we'll figure it out. Tuesday, I again have an alumni interview, so I'm going to mark that. I think I'm going to stick in a checklist as well. I'm going to put this one down here at the bottom though. Like so. Okay. Wednesday. Other than work, I don't have any like appointments or anything planned. So I think I'm just going to stick this box in right here, right after the workbox. Okay, something is not straight, but we're going to call it good. I think that's pretty much it for Wednesday. So for this first half of the week, I'm going to fill in my stuff here, work. This is alumni interviews. This one is alumni interview. Only one that day, I believe. So that's everything for the first half of the week. Flipping over, I am going to stick in this guy here for Thursday for work, and then another work right here. There we go. Also on, well, Wednesday has the inauguration, and I don't know how I want to mark that, if I want to mark that, so I'm just going to leave that for now. I think I want to mark it, but I just don't know what I want to put in, so I'm just going to leave it. Thursday, I don't think anything much is going on. Friday, oh, Thursday there is something going on. I'm going to take this little books. So this is the last day of the readathon. So I'm going to just mark that like so. Friday, there is a grant deadline. That I guess I should probably mark. So I'm going to stick that in like so. And then last one, I'm going to put that in right there. Thank you for your service, all that good stuff. Yeah, I forgot to put in a checklist on Wednesday, so I guess I have to go back. I'm going to stick a checklist down here at the bottom again. I guess I have to wipe this out. To make it all fit. There we go. Thursday, I'll throw on a checklist down here at the bottom again. I like having these like catch-all options. My Friday checklist can go just like so. Probably gonna put in whatever I'm doing Friday night right here. I'll just leave that for now. Saturday checklist. And then I'm going to put in a Sunday checklist as well. Just to capture all of that kind of stuff that happens. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are pretty, like, in the air. So I'm just going to fill in work. This is going to be application deadline. There's actually one earlier in the week too, but I don't think it's going to be impacting me as much. Last day of historical romance readathon. There we go. Okay, so I think that's pretty much what I know right now. This is the finished pre-planning. Definitely doesn't look exactly like Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. She doesn't use large checklists as much as I tend to, but I do think this is like a reasonable adaptation of what she would do. I should fill this in. This is a plan with me. This one is 2020 Book Bujo. There we go. All right, so I think that's pretty well filled in with what I know right now. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I love how it turned out, super cute. Let's see, so if I don't mention it, it came from the kit, which is from Creative Cavern Studio. I have a fair amount of leftovers. I have some boxes, some washi strips, and a bunch of functionals. So I'm gonna throw those in my leftovers. Got a good amount there. Mostly I just tried to use the kit as much as possible. So the sidebar is all the kit. These headers are leftovers, I think from 3 years apart. This skinny washi is from Amazon. This star is from an American Crafts book. This is a Creative Cavern Studio sticker, not from the kit. Another Creative Cavern Studio, not from the kit. This one is from the Prairie Planner. Everything else is from the kit. So pretty much that's just what I used. It was perfect for this week. I did so much reading for the historical romance readathon. I posted a few pictures on my Instagram of my spreads, my reading list, all that good stuff. So if you're interested, check it out there. As always, please like and subscribe below. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, let me know what kits you're using. Let me know if you participated in the historical romance readathon. I would love to know that as well. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all of that good stuff. I also post bits and pieces about some other things like books. And until next time, bye.